Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Was just busy writing all of my amazing business ideas, ready to make millions.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Okay, but seriously, Scamper is an amazing technique to think of new business ideas. It's actually traditionally used for creative problem solving, but it can be used to think of new product ideas, to think of a whole new business as a whole, to think of a new product line, or to change a product. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Ida, and I'll be making videos about all things entrepreneurial. So Scamper, what does it stand for? How do you use it? So firstly, the S stands for substitute. So replacing one thing with another. So you can ask yourself, what can I use instead? For example, someone thought, what can I use to wash my hair without it being a liquid shampoo? And came up with the idea of a hair wash powder. Quite interesting. Next up, we've got the C, which stands for combine. This means putting two things together to make something new. For this method, you can ask yourself, how can I combine things to make them more useful? This brand put together guacamole and hot sauce to create guacamole hot sauce. That sounds interesting. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps this channel and it helps me to keep creating this content for you. Next we have A, which stands for adapt. This means putting something to another use. The question you can ask yourself is, what other needs can this satisfy? For example, this mug is the cutest mug I've ever seen. You can put your little tea bag in there and have it completely soaked through and put in new water. I think it's adorable. Next is M, which stands for modify, magnify, or minify. It means to change a quality, make it bigger, make it more, make it faster, make it slower. The question you need to ask yourself is, can I change the shape? Can I change the material? Can I change the size? By simply adding more products to it, you can achieve this. Take, for example, this company. By simply enhancing the size of it, they created a new product that people love, a giant beanbag. Next is P, which stands for put to another use, which means, obviously, to use something in another way. The question you can ask yourself is, how can I use this in another way? For example, blue light glasses are glasses that don't help you to see, that don't block out the sun, but it blocks out blue light from your technology thing, from any device, so that you can sleep better at night and it's not as bad for your eyes. Pretty cool. Next up is eliminate, which means to take away a characteristic. This doesn't necessarily mean taking away a whole part of something like this. It just means taking away maybe some of the functions of the product, which sounds like a bad idea, but wait till you hear this example. This one made me giggle a little bit, but it is soap which cannot clean your whole body. Well, I guess it can, but one part in particular, keeping it nice and clean. And last, but surely not least, is R, which means to rearrange. This means to change to the opposite or change the order. You can ask yourself, can I do the reverse or can I rearrange the sequence? For example, this eyeliner pen, which is made to remove eyeliner instead of apply eyeliner. Really handy. So how to use this method is to, when you're using something, think how can I change this by using Scamper? You might think of the next best thing. And remember, no ideas are wrong. It might lead you to the next idea that's better than the previous one. So wild ideas are encouraged because this might just be the stepping stone leading you to the actual product that you will make or the actual business idea that you will use. And please don't even try to steal any of my jacket ideas. They've all already been patented. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you find any of this helpful, please give it a like and also leave some comments down below of some wild ideas you're having at this moment and share some of those ones you're not using. Of course, keep those good ones to yourself, but let's start the conversation. Okay, bye! And welcome to my channel.